Hi, Carol. Okay, so this one, Carol. Okay, Carol, are you here? Okay, are you with teacher? Okay, so here you will gonna have refund. Do you know the word refund, Carol? Refund, like, what is that for you? How do you understand the word refund? What is refund for you? Refund is like,
The fun is like when it's like when you buy something, if it is if it is
refund is
if
like,
it with fun is like if you buy something when you buy something, if it is naughty, you can refund it to the shop.
okay, like if you buy something and you don't like it, you can ask for refund. Okay. What might be the reason for wanting to get something refunded? What might be a reason for wanting to get something refunded?
When you buy something and you don't like it, or you buy something but it is it is break, you can refund.
Okay, so when you try to buy something and you don't like it, it is okay, you need to refund it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we have here something about refund. Okay, so here is about this one. Let us read the dialogue. Okay, so your example. So, good morning. How may I help you? Hey, Carol, your customer. I am the clerk. Good morning. How may I help you, Carol? Carol, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so read. Okay, so good morning. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to return this faulty
What?
watch that I bought yesterday.
What seems to be the problem with it?
It just doesn't work. It's broken.
Can I please check the watch for a moment? Can I please check the watch for a moment? It seems like there is a problem with the second hand. Would you like to exchange it for a different watch?
No, thank you. I just want to get a refund on it.
I am very sorry about this. May I have the receipt, please?
The receipt is in box and the price tag was not removed.
Okay, I am very sorry. The receipt is in the box and the price tag was not removed. Okay, let me get you your money back. Thank you for your
Thank you
help.
for your
Okay, very good. So we have here four words. What do you mean by the word return? I will return it, Carol. What do you mean by the word return? Okay.
return is like come back.
Okay, return is just like come back or you're gonna return it. Okay, you return it. Okay, how about exchange?
Exchange is exchange is where example if you have a pink watch and have the other people have blue watch, you you like you want to exchange it with the other people.
Okay, how about price tag? What is price tag? What do you mean by price tag?
The things you buy.
Okay, the thing you buy. Okay. Hey, now. So here we have three questions. Why did the customer want to return the watch that she bought?
With the text again.
Okay. Okay. So you want to read it again. Okay. So you tell me if you're done.
Identification.
Okay.
And
So here. Okay. So here. Why did the customer want to return the watch that she bought?
the because it was broken.
Okay. Because it was broken. Okay. So what do you need to provide if you want to get a refund for something? Okay? What do you need to provide if you want to get a refund for something? You will gonna provide a receipt. Okay. Okay. How do you tell the clerk that you don't want to exchange it for a different item? Example, the teller or the cashier will tell you, oh, just exchange it with something else, with different. Okay? And you will gonna say, what you will gonna say? Okay? How do you tell the clerk that you don't want to exchange it for a different item? Example, you don't want to change it for the different item. How you will gonna tell it to the clerk, to the cashier? How you gonna tell it?
Say,
You
can you, I say, can you exchange it for a same item?
okay, can you exchange it for a same item? Because I don't like a new one. Okay, it's very simple, a simple. Okay? It's a very simple. Okay? So, Carol, teacher, and don't have enough time, okay, for now. By the way, when will be your vacation, Carol? You have your vacation time. When will it be? But you don't have class in Vietnam. When? When will be your vacation time in Vietnam? When? On? You're gonna have your vacation time on when? The one that you don't have class. It's summer, summer. When will be your summer holiday? You all gonna have summer holiday on when?
Nhưng mà ông đi qua cái hồ cá đấy nhưng mà giờ đi quá lên thả rồi.
Okay.
Can you ask again?
Okay. So when will be your
My
summer
dad
holiday?
is telling on the phone, so
When will be your summer holiday?
it will be in the 4th of June.
Okay, 4th of June. Okay, that's good. Okay, 4th on June. Wait, ha, I will turn on the aircon again. You wait. You are gonna have your holiday on the 4th of June. Okay, so Carol, so on 4th of June, you don't have class anymore. It's summer already.
Okay.
Right? Is teacher and correct? Wow, very good. Okay, Carol. That's so nice to hear that. Okay?
Okay.
top 5 bài hát bị gắn mác thảm họa nhưng lại thu hút hàng triệu lượt xem. Tiểu qua loa linh tinh, không thể nào mà cản ngươi được ma gamer. Nhưng mà nghe sao anh còn căng, anh còn văng, anh còn cứ nói nhiều.
Okay, so Carol, teacher, and we'll see you on Monday again. Okay? Bye-bye.